homemade trick to remove yellow stains from the toilet and give shine to all utensils in your kitchen. Let's start today's tip. Using 200 milliliters of fabric softener, being an indispensable item for this mixture and fully responsible for bringing the aroma that your bathroom needs. Do not worry about the amount of items used. This mixture will yield a lot just using a small amount. The second and main item for this tip is Coca-Cola, and we will also add 200 milliliters. Have you ever used Coke as a cleaning product? I'm sure this tip today will surprise you by the ease and efficiency. We must mix very well. Whenever we add an ingredient, we can already notice the difference in consistency of any cleaning product sold in the markets. Now let's add a tablespoon of baking soda. Being essential in cleaning products, its degreasing effect greatly facilitates cleaning. And now we must mix very well. And with that, we will already have our mixture ready. And before I forget, tell me which city you're watching so I can send you a special hug. Today's hug goes to Cassie Jacobs from Laurenburg. I'm glad you're enjoying our tips. This mixture is ideal for cleaning your bathroom, including your toilet. Will show much cleaner after the use of this mixture. Then we will put this mixture in a spray bottle. It will be more practical in application and also avoid waste. I will put the liquid with the help of a funnel so as not to waste. Then it is ready for use. We can apply directly to the toilet. After putting the liquid, we will rub with the help of a brush and then just flush, and can already see the cleaning you always looked for. In your bathroom, can use also in the sink, using a sponge to scrub. The effect will be very efficient too. Here the effective Coca-Cola and baking soda are very effective in removing any kind of stains. You will thank me. This tip is perfect for use also in the kitchen, perfect for washing dishes, and with a very low cost. In addition to using a small amount of products, we usually have these products at home and using together will bring the cleaning that is needed. I hope you enjoyed these tips and thank you for watching so far. See you in the next video. Bye.